Hydrophilicity is one of the most important characteristics of tissues. The droplet test determines whether and to what extent this can be influenced by the use of our Lyocell TS lotion. For each type of tissue, stretch a sample, coated side up, into a ring, so that the tissue does not make contact with any surface. Mount a burette 5 cm above the tissue. Release a drop of deionized water from the burette onto the tissue. Use a stopwatch to measure the time required for the tissue to absorb the droplet. Values of around 2 seconds, the time required for the drop in this video to soak in, indicate very good hydrophilicity. Do not continue recording values exceeding 30 seconds. Perform the test at least 5 times per tissue and visualize the results in a diagram, showing the average and standard deviation. The quicker the drop soaks in, the more hydrophilic the tissue is.
Wacker, creating tomorrow's solutions.